thesis on the topic of theory of literature. My name is Mr. H.D. Koroma from Kizito Secondary School. I'm very happy to share with you on this topic here, particularly the theory of literature. We'll be dealing on meaning, on the theory of literature, that is, meaning of literature. Literature, what it means when you say literature. What do you mean when you say literature? On the means of literature, we are having the term on the meaning of literature, a term like art, a term like language, creative, a term like language, creative, literature, and the like. From there, what you can say, meaning of literature. Literature is a work of art which use language creatively to reflect social realities. That is the meaning of literature. As I said, in the meaning of literature, we are having a word like art, we are having a word like language, creative, and we are having a word like social realities. This is what make the meaning of literature. This is what makes the meaning of literature. They see what is art. When you say literature is an art, what is art? Art is just a skill. It is a skill used in a work of art, a literary artist. And when I say without language, it will be written or language will be represented in spoken word or written word. And when I talk about the social reality, social reality is what is happening in society. What is happening in society, like economic issue, social issue, and political issues. This is what social realities. This is what you call it social realities. Therefore, literature is a work of art into the following aspect. Is a work of art into the following. The first one, we call literature as a work of art due to imaginative event. What is imagery? What is image? Image is a creation of mental picture in the mind of the reader or hearer or listener. That is imaginative effect. People might be living in Sumbawanga can imagine that he or she in Dar es Salaam by looking what is, by imaginative, the building, the environment, the ocean, current, and whatever. That is imaginative. The things is making in literature, for instance, the use of language. In case people use language, that is making creative image. For instance, if you hear somebody is telling that someone has been spit on someone's face, that you get image from how it is pinched on that issue. The next things, literature is an art, is due to the technique involved. Technique involved in a work of art. Technique involved in a work of art or in a work of literature. For instance, we are having like flashback. We are having like flashback, allusion. Allusion is just making someone to believe which is something not true. That is allusion. But the flashback, you meet a story or a work of art starting from the end and going to the beginning. That will be a flashback. Or sometimes we are having another technique, that's dramatic action. Dramatic action. The involve of action in a work of art. For instance, like a play, drama, ballad. That is you can say on the issue of drama. That action with a word, you speaking within when the person is doing something. The next thing we are having the choice of character. Characterization or a choice of character. The use of character in a work of art is different from the other work of or other printed work. For instance, when we meet a book of physics, we don't expect in a book of physics or biology there's a name of character. But in a work of literature, we are having character. And those characters could be non-living organism or living organism. Or living organism. Would it be non-living organism or living organism? That two would be involved. Therefore, why is this an artist using character or a choice of character? We talk, for instance, we may use a non-living organism so as to avoid conflict or confusion within the society. We are having, for instance, we are having one of an author known as Henrik Ibsen. Henrik Ibsen used a family member as the character. For instance, in the book of An Enemy of the People, we are having like Peter Stockman and Dr. Stockman. These are the family members. These have been using this character so to show a distinction in classes. One is a mayor of the city and the other is a doctor. That is showing that the social distinction among the class, among the society. Okay? The next is the use of creative language. The use of creative language. How do this art how did literature become an art? The use of creative language. How this becomes the use of creative language? This employs different devices in a society. In a work of art, like figure of speech, like figure of speech. This making the language to be diverted from norms. As a literary person, once he or she speaks from the noun who having an educated person or a literary person can be diverted from a norms. And this other person cannot understand from the literary person, from a literary artistic. This is called what? The use of creative language. That's involving different devices like figure of speech, which are including iron, metaphor, symbolism, measure, satire, sarcasm, and the like. We have also the relationship between content and form. In a work of art, and the literature, they are having direct relationship. They are having relationship between content and form. Content is what is found in a work of art, which are including message, theme, philosophy, and life. And form, these are including plot, title, techniques, and the like. These are known as what? Form, the relationship are having. For instance, how do you relate the content? Is what is contained in the book is what is reflecting how the organization of the book is being organized. That is, for instance, plot. That is what you can talk about literature as a work of what? A work of art. This is from the definition that literature is a work of art which is using language creatively to reflect social reality. Therefore, also we may talk about the other issue on the definition of literature. What you can say, how literature differs now from the other art. If these are art and these are using language, how these are different? Now the question will be asked on their mind. And people always are being asked how this literature and art becoming different. Why they say art, they see how literature now say how literature differ from other work of art. How literature differs now from other work of art. Now, I say art is just an skillful, which making a beauty or an authentic work of art, work of literature. While literature say is a work of art which using language creatively to reflect social reality. How this differ? The things to see is, now literature differs from other work of art as follows. Literature uses language. Literature uses language, while the other works of art, like drawings, carving, cannot use language. While literature uses language, it could be written or spoken. That is meaning is oral literature or written literature. That is a use of language which can be spoken or The next is the form and content. Literature has two things, has two basic elements, the form and the content. When we talk about the form, for instance, take on this one. This one. This A, this is B. And when I talk about the form is just a superstructure of a work of art. This one, that is B. A form. How it look like on the work of art. But the content, what is a content? What is in within the work of art? What is in within the work of art? That is so different. But people, therefore, literature, they are having two basic elements: the form and the content. The next thing we are having the use of character. The use of character, or the choice of character. Use of character or choice of character or characterization. That is, people use different character in presenting of their work. So to make authentic, the use of animal, the use of non-character, the use of imaginative character, and the like. The next thing, also literature can be the use of setting. The work of literature is almost having setting. That setting has to be imaginative, environmental, that is called physical. That is called physical setting. Time or temporal setting. When I talk about imaginative setting, for instance, this the time differ on the book like whole Bible, Quran. This is having an imaginative setting, and we are having one of the lighter in Swahili. We are having the book like Kufikirika. We are having a book like Kusadikika. That is imaginative. Also, when I talk about environmental or physical, is like a room, that is a setting, a mountain, village, that is a physical setting. And when I talk about temporal, we are talking about duration of time. It could be during globalization, during pre-colonial era, after independence, and the like. Therefore, is what I can say on the issue of how literature is different from the other work of art. From there, what I have to say, this is what I planned to share with you about the meaning of literature and its. We have seen on the literature itself, we have seen about creative language, we have seen about art, how an art differ from other work of art. Therefore, let's say this is the end of my plan. I would like to thank you for listening. Therefore, the next time we're expecting to deal with a form and content, discuss more on the form and content. You are welcome. See you. Happy to hear from me. Thank you very much for listening.